In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom template in Zoho Books. If you've ever wanted to give your invoices or other documents a personalized touch, this tutorial is perfect for you. We are going to take a step-by-step journey through the Zoho Books interface, ensuring your documents stand out with your unique style. First, we need to visit the Zoho Books website. This is easily done through your web browser. Simply type in the URL www.zoho.com/books and navigate to that page. Once you're there, it's time to sign in. Look for the sign in button, which is usually on the upper right hand corner of the home page. Click on it. If you're a frequent Zoho user, this should be pretty straightforward. If you haven't signed in recently, just be sure to have your login credentials handy. Now let's talk about logging in. You can either enter your email and password combination if you have a dedicated Zoho Books account, or you can choose to log in using a Google account, which might be a more convenient option if you often use Google services. If you prefer the Google route, you'll see an option that says sign in using Google. Click on that and this will direct you to a Google sign-in page. Once you're on the Google sign-in prompt, you'll need to select your Google account. Click on your email address and you should be seamlessly redirected back to Zoho Books. Successfully logged in and ready to continue. Now that we're signed in, let's make our way to the dashboard. Once you've been authenticated, Zoho Books will take you to its dashboard. It's your central hub of activity. Here you can access a myriad of options to manage your business finances effectively. But for today's purpose, our attention needs to turn towards creating that custom template. On the dashboard, locate the settings menu. This is an important area where you can configure how Zoho Books works for you. Within that section, keep an eye out for the option that mentions PDF templates. This option is where all the customization magic happens. Click on PDF templates and this will direct you to another page which lists all your current templates. Here's where we start to see some flexibility. You'll notice that there are various types of templates available depending on what document you'd like to customize. It could be an invoice, an estimate, a purchase order, or another document type relevant to your business operations. Take a moment to think about what you'd like to design. Once you've settled on the type of template you'd like to create, highlight and select it. With your template type selected, look for a button usually marked New. Clicking on this button will initiate the process of creating a brand new template. This phase of template creation involves designing and customizing the appearance to match your business's aesthetic. Think of it like branding your documents. While Zoho Books provides some standard template designs, you have the opportunity to make it entirely your own. Add your business logo, select colors that match your branding, change the font to reflect your company's personality, or arrange the layout in a way that makes the most sense for your document's purposes. Remember, the goal is to create a template that's not only functional, but also reflective of your brand's identity. Every customization you make within Zoho Books is designed to be intuitive, meaning you won't have to grapple with complex design tools. The process is quite streamlined. However, it's always a good idea to preview your template as you go. Check to ensure that everything aligns correctly and matches the vision you have in mind. After creating your template, Zoho Books will allow you to save it. Don't forget this step, as you wouldn't want to lose the hard work you've put in. Saving your template will ensure it's available the next time you need to generate a document in Zoho Books. Whether it's for an invoice or a statement of accounts, you'll have your custom layout ready to go. And there you have it, your custom template is now created in Zoho Books. With your template designed and saved, you're prepared to enhance your documents with a professional, personal touch every time. This is just one of the ways Zoho Books can work for your business by adding style and identity to your financial documents. Thank you for following along today. Creating custom templates in Zoho Books is not only straightforward but also a vital step towards strong brand identity and heightened professionalism in your business dealings. If you have any questions or if there's another tutorial you'd love to see, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep managing your business with style and efficiency.